Hey freelancers, struggling to pick the right tool to manage your business? Today we're comparing HelloBonsai and AND.co to see which one's best for you. Let's dive in. First up, HelloBonsai. Bonsai is an all-in-one platform for freelancers. It helps you create professional proposals and contracts with pre-made templates that look sharp. You can track time, send invoices, and even manage taxes with its Bonsai tax add-on. It's great for staying organized with client management tools and a clean interface, but it's not free. Plans start at $24 a month, and some users say customer support can be slow. Now and.co, now called Fiverr Workspace. And.co is another freelancer-friendly tool that focuses on simplicity. It offers invoicing, time tracking, and project management. You can send invoices, set up recurring payments, and track expenses easily. It also connects with Fiverr for finding gigs, which is bonus for new freelancers. There is a free plan, but premium features cost $18 a month. Some users find it less robust for complex projects. So how do they compare? Features. Bonsai has more tools like tax help and advanced contract templates, while and.co keeps things simpler with basic invoicing and project tracking. Ease of use. Both are user-friendly, but and.co feels a bit more straightforward for beginners. Who wins? It depends. Bonsai is better for established freelancers needing robust tools. And.co wins for beginners or those wanting free, simple option. Pick what fits your needs. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which one is your choice. Like and subscribe for more videos.